Best Business Savings Accounts UK. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this video, we will compare the top business savings accounts in the UK, which is Tide Instant Saver Account, Aldermore Business Savings Accounts, and Recognized Bank Business Savings Accounts. In this video, we will break down the key features, benefits, and drawbacks of each option, helping you to make an informed decision to optimize your business's finances and savings strategies. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So let's start by knowing the interest rate comparison of those savings account. And as you can see on this table, the Tide Bank has an account type of Instant Saver with interest rate offer 4.33% and has no limit in terms of maximum deposit. While Aldermore with account type of Instant Access with interest rate of 3.05% and minimum deposit of £1,000 and maximum deposit of £1 million. And in terms of 6-month fixed rate of Aldermore, it has an interest rate of 3.75% with minimum deposit of £1,000 and maximum of £1 million. While the 1-year fixed rate account type of Aldermore, it offers an interest rate of 4.30% with £1,000 minimum deposit and maximum deposit of £1 million. On the other hand, the Recognized Bank has an account type of Instant Access, offer an interest rate of 3.25%, which is variable with minimum deposit of £1,000 and a maximum deposit of £10 million. While in terms of its 6-month fixed rate of Recognized Bank, it offers interest rate of 4%, which is fixed, with a minimum deposit of £1,000 and maximum deposit of £10 million as well. While for its 1-year fixed rate of Recognized Bank, it offers interest rate of 4.5%, which is fixed, and a minimum deposit of £1,000 and maximum deposit of £10 million as well. Now moving on to fees comparison. In terms of account opening fee and monthly account fee, Tide, Aldermore, and Recognized Bank have no any fees. While in terms of transaction fees, Tide offers a free transaction fees, while Aldermore offers £0.35 to £0.60 per transaction depending on transaction type and volume, while Recognized Bank offers £0.25 to £0.50 per transaction depending on transaction type and volume. And in terms of minimum balance requirement fees, Tide offers none, while Aldermore offers £1,000 to £5,000 depending on the account type, while Recognized Bank offers £1,000 to £10,000 depending on the account type as well. And now in terms of withdrawal fees, Tide does not offer withdrawal fees, but Aldermore offers free for a limited number of withdrawals per year, then £10 per withdrawal. On the other hand, Recognized Bank offer free for a limited number of withdrawals per year, then £5 to £10 per withdrawal. Now in terms of its additional service fees, Tide offers varies depending on additional services such as expedited processing, while Aldermore offers £5 to £25 per additional service, while Recognized Bank varies depending on additional services such as account management. Now in terms of early account closure fee, Tide does not offer any fee, while Aldermore varies depending on the account type, same as Recognized Bank, which is varies depending on the account type as well. While in terms of foreign transaction fees, Tide does not offer any fee, while Aldermore offered 2.75% of transaction value for non-sterling transactions, while Recognized Bank offer 2.99% of transaction value for non-sterling transactions. On the other hand, in terms of transaction fees, domestic or international, Tide offer free fees, while Aldermore offer £15 to £40 per transfer depending on the type and destination country, while Recognized Bank has fees of £10 to £30 per transfer depending on the type and destination country. Now moving on to the featured comparison. In terms of account types available, Tide offers business savings as well as Aldermore and Recognized Bank. And in terms of access channels, Tide is available on mobile app, online banking, while Aldermore is available online banking, telephone banking, and branch, while Recognized Bank is available online banking, mobile app, telephone banking, and branch. Now in terms of account management tools features, Tide is in-app tools for expense categorization, invoicing, and many more, while Aldermore offer online account management tools, financial planning tools, while Recognized Bank offer online account management tools, budgeting tools, and financial planning tools. Also in terms of additional features, Tide offer business tools integration or accounting software, while Aldermore offer business support services tailored solution for different industries, while Recognized Bank offer relationship manager, tailored financial solutions for businesses. And in terms of customer support, Tide offer in-app chat support, while Aldermore offer phone, email, branch support. Same as recognized bank. Now moving on to the pros and cons. Starting to its pros, in terms of competitive interest rates, Tide offers competitive interest rate for business savings, while Aldermore provides competitive interest rate for business savings, while recognized bank competitive interest rates for business savings. Now in terms of digital account management, Tide offer convenient digital account management through mobile app and online banking, while Aldermore offer online banking platform for easy account management, while recognized bank offer online banking platform and mobile app for convenient account management. Also in terms of its pros, business integration, Tide integration with business tools such as accounting software, while Aldermore offers business support services and tailored solutions, while recognized bank offers tailored financial solutions and relationship managers for businesses. And in terms of flexible withdrawals, Tide offers unlimited withdrawals allow businesses easy access to funds, while in terms of Aldermore, it offers flexibility in withdrawal options based on account type, while recognized bank offer flexible withdrawal options tailored to business needs. Now moving on to its cons or disadvantages. In terms of limited deposit option, Tide offers limited deposit option compared to traditional banks, same as to Aldermore and recognized bank. Now in terms of limited account option, Tide offers only one type of business savings account, while Aldermore offer limited range of business savings account options, while recognized bank limited range of business savings account options as well. Now in terms of limited customer support, Tide customer support primarily available through in-app chat, while Aldermore customer support primarily available through phone and email, while recognized bank customer support primarily available through phone and email as well. Now moving on to customer reviews, the Tide Instant Saver account holds Trustpilot score of 4.4 out of 5, gathered from than 25,000 reviews. Users commend its interest rate, convenient accessibility, and user-friendly mobile application. A few users expressed concerns about glitches, customer service quality, and account verification process, while Aldermore Business Savings account boasts a Trustpilot rating of 4.7 out of 5 based on 3,000 reviews. Clients value its interest rate, flexible option, and online banking features. Some customers encounter challenges when trying to open an account, withdraw funds, or reach customer support. And now, on the other hand, recognized bank business savings account secure Trustpilot rating of 4.6 out of 5 from over 100 reviews. Customers highlight the interest rates offered by the bank along with customized solutions and dedicated relationship managers. However, some users note delays in opening accounts, deposit choices, and the absence of an app. But the question is, who should choose Tide Instant Saver account? Well, business owners who value convenience and simplicity in their banking experience would find the Tide Instant Saver account beneficial, since Tide is an option for businesses and freelancers who need easy access to their savings without dealing with minimum balance requirements or monthly fees. The user-friendly mobile app and digital banking features make it a good fit for entrepreneurs who prefer managing their finances on the go. Moreover, businesses looking for interest rates and transparent fees structure will be attracted to the Tide Instant Saver account. But what about Aldermore? Who should choose Aldermore Business Savings accounts? Well, Aldermore Business Savings account are suitable for businesses seeking a banking experience along with competitive interest rates and flexible account options. Small to size enterprises that appreciate customer support and additional services tailored to business needs may find Aldermore appealing. Additionally, businesses with cash flow and the ability to meet balance requirements may benefit from the variety of account types offered by Aldermore, catering to different business sizes and financial objectives. But what about recognized bank? Who should choose recognized bank business savings accounts? Well, it's an option for businesses in search of financial solutions and dedicated relationship management. Recognized bank is an option for companies and long-standing businesses in the need of personalized banking services, such as tailored guidance and assistance. Its clear fee system, rates, and availability of relationship managers cater well to businesses with financial needs. And what distinguishes recognized bank is its dedication to comprehending and meeting the requirements of each business, making it a top choice for those desiring a degree of personalization and service. And now, in conclusion, when looking at the business savings account in the UK, the Tide Instant Saver account, Aldermore Business Savings account, and recognized bank business savings account each offer benefits tailored to different business needs. The Tide Instant Saver account is known for its simplicity and easy access, making it a great choice for businesses and freelancers who value convenience. Other more business savings accounts provide a banking experience with interest rates making them a solid option for businesses looking for stability and flexibility. On the other hand, recognized bank business savings accounts stand out for their financial solutions and dedicated relationship management services, which are appealing to larger enterprises and established businesses in need of customized support. But choosing the account from these options depend on factors like business size, financial goals, and the level of service desired, ensuring that businesses can find an account that meets their specific needs effectively. So that is just the best business savings accounts in UK. Thank you.